When armies are mobilized and issues are joined, the man who is sorry over the fact will win. To lead people, walk behind them. The snow goose need not bathe to make itself white, neither need you to do anything but be yourself. Truthful words are not beautiful. Beautiful words are not truthful. Good words are not persuasive. Persuasive words are not good. People in their handling of affairs often fail when they are about to succeed. If one remains as careful at the end and he was at the beginning, there will be no failure. Great indeed the sublimity of the creative, to which all beings owe their beginning, and which permeates all heaven. Be chief, but never the Lord. The wise man does not lay up his own treasures. The more he gives to others, the more he has for his own. He who does not trust enough will not be trusted. The words of truth are always paradoxical. When the best leaders' work is done, the people say, "We did it ourselves." Knowing others is wisdom. Knowing yourself is enlightenment. Those who have knowledge don't predict. Those who predict don't have knowledge. He who knows himself is enlightened. One who is too insistent on his own views finds few to agree with him. For the wise man looks into space and he knows there is no limited diminutions. If you would take, you must first give. This is the beginning of intelligence. Respond intelligently even to intelligent treatment. To know yet to think that one does not know is best. Not to know yet to think that one knows will lead to difficulty. He who conquers others is strong. He who conquers himself is mighty. Nature is not human-hearted. A good traveler has no fixed plans and not intent on arriving. Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach him how to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. He who knows does not speak. He who speaks does not know. When you realize they are nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you.